So I'm going to show you how to use the NoteRush app. This is another just like sort of musical flashcard app for note reading, but it's actually a little bit more game-like and the kids seem to like it. What I really like about this one is that you don't answer the questions on the phone. You answer the questions by actually playing notes on your piano. So the kids will have to be sitting at a piano or a keyboard to do this app. So you open it up, and the first thing that you can do, if you want to, is go into settings, and you can turn on or off the seasonal themes. So they have like Easter, Christmas, Valentine's Day. Some of the kids really like that. If someone doesn't want that for any reason, you can just go turn it off. But really the important thing is right down here where it says number 1, you are going to choose your level, and they've kind of already organized it all out so that level 1 is just those beginner notes that the kids learn first. Level 2 adds a few more, and it just goes on from there all the way up to level 5, which has kind of like the entire grand staff, which they'll eventually work up to. At the top, you can select if you want just the treble clef notes, just the bass clef notes, or if you want to test yourself on both at the same time. So that's kind of up to the kids what they feel like doing that day, or I can let you know if they should only be doing one for some reason. And then they can select their theme. So there's like planets, soccer, plane, Easter egg hunt, ladybug. So that's just up to them, whatever they like. When you start to play the game, you're going to have to show the phone what middle C sounds like on your piano so that it can judge your answers based on that. So right here, you want to make sure that it's enabled to hear your piano. So if it's not working, make sure that you enable it by touching that. So if I like, I think mine's enabled. Okay, so here's my C. Okay, so now it heard that and it's going to give me a note. I'm going to read it and play it. If I get a wrong note, it'll let me know. It'll give me another chance. I don't know what happens if I get it wrong again. Oh, it still gives me another chance. So you play that way, and the kids do need to be playing the actual position on the keyboard. So if it says C and they play some random like super high or super low C, you'll be marked wrong for that. If it says middle C, you really have to be playing middle C. So for all the kids, they're going to be starting out in the middle position anyway. So just as long as they're sitting in the middle of the piano, that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so that's a fun one. Most of the kids really like that one.